Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Hub, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. I'm Mike. How are you today, Anna?
I'm great, Mike. So happy to be here with you and everyone. And you?
I'm very good, thank you. Ready for another fun episode?
Me too. Before we start, we want to say thank you for listening. Please, if you like our channel, share it with your friends.
Yes, and don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. It really helps us a lot.
It really does. Okay, so today's topic is about something we all do every day, our morning routine.
Perfect topic. In English, a common question is, what's your morning routine?
Yes, it's a great way to talk about your day and practice English. So, Mike, what's your morning routine?
That's a good question. I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Early. Okay. To say that, we can use I usually wake up at... Perfect, Mike.
Exactly. I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Great. So, I brush my teeth and wash my face is perfect English. And what do you do next?
After that, I do a short exercise, maybe 10 minutes of stretching.
Excellent. We can say, I do a short exercise, or I do some stretching. Both are correct.
Yes, and it makes me feel awake. Then I take a shower.
A shower. So we say, I take a shower in the morning. Simple and clear.
Right. After the shower, I eat breakfast, usually coffee and toast.
Perfect. So I eat breakfast, and you can add details like coffee and toast. Very good. And you, Anna, what's your morning routine? I wake up at 7 a.m., a little later than you. Then I drink a glass of water. I like to start with water. It makes me feel fresh.
Very good. I like to start with water. That's a great sentence.
Thank you. Then I meditate for 10 minutes.
Wow, meditation. So we can say, I meditate in the morning for 10 minutes. That's excellent.
Yes. After meditation, I take a shower and eat breakfast too. Sometimes cereal or eggs.
Yum, that sounds delicious. So our listeners can say, I eat cereal in the morning, or I eat eggs for breakfast.
Exactly. And after breakfast, I usually plan my day. I write a short list of tasks.
That's great. We can say, I plan my day, or I make a to-do list. Both are correct.
Yes, planning helps me feel ready and motivated.
Speaking of motivation, Anna, sometimes mornings are hard. We feel sleepy, tired, or lazy.
True, Mike. Some days I think I just want to stay in bed.
Me too. But here's the trick. We can make small steps. Start with one thing. Brush your teeth. Drink water. Then one more.
Yes, small steps make a big difference. And after finishing your morning routine, you feel strong and happy.
Exactly. Stop when you're done, not when you're tired. That's the secret.
I love that advice. Work now, feel happy later.
Mike, what about other morning activities? Do you like listening to music in the morning?
Oh, yes. I enjoy listening to soft music while I meditate. It makes me feel calm.
Perfect. So, I enjoy listening to music is a strong way to express likes.
And what about reading, Mike? Do you read in the morning?
Sometimes. I like to read news or short articles, not too long, because I'm busy.
Great example. I like to read in the morning, or I enjoy reading in the morning.
Yes. And sometimes I do a short walk after breakfast, just 10 minutes outside.
Walking is wonderful. I enjoy walking in the morning, or I like to take a short walk.
Exactly. And it helps you wake up and feel ready for the day.
Yes. Our listeners can try walking, stretching, drinking water, or listening to music. Start small.
Let's give our listeners a small exercise. Try saying your morning routine in English.
Yes. You can say, for example, I wake up at 7 a.m., I brush my teeth and wash my face, I drink water, I do a short exercise, I eat breakfast, I plan my day.
And you can add, I enjoy listening to music, or I love reading.
Perfect. And if you want to, you can also say, I would love to meditate every morning, to talk about something you want to do.
That's a very useful tip. I would love to is great for future goals.
Remember, everyone, mornings can be hard, but small steps and finishing your routine make you feel strong and proud.
Exactly. And after completing your morning routine, you have energy, motivation, and a sense of accomplishment.
Tired but happy is always better than tired and sad.
Yes, focus on the goal, make small steps, and reward yourself.
Maybe a nice breakfast, a cup of coffee, or listening to your favorite song. That's your prize.
Work now, happy later. That's the secret.
Let's review the key phrases for morning routines. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I drink water. I do exercise. I stretch. I eat breakfast. I plan my day. I enjoy. I like. I love. I would love to.
And for negatives, I don't like, I don't enjoy.
Perfect. Listeners, try to practice your morning routine in English every day.
Yes, talk about your morning with a friend or just practice by yourself.
And remember, small steps, finish your routine, feel proud, and start your day motivated.
That's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for listening to Everyday English Hub.
Thank you, everyone. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.
And please leave a comment below. Tell us, what's your morning routine?
Yes, we would love to read your answers. Keep practicing, and we'll see you next time.
Bye for now. Stay motivated and enjoy your mornings.
Bye-bye.